that's where we'll be hunting. Down here at the bottom of the field. Got a ground blind set up. We'll get tucked away in there and see what we see. Well, we made it to the blind. This is the setup. We got it. It's pretty nice. I got one of them 180 blinds so you can see. But yeah, we're just gonna sit here and wait on a deer. Hopefully we get a doe to come out this evening. Ryder just got in the blind for the second day. Yesterday was kind of a bust. The farmer decided he wanted to bail hay beside of us, so we didn't see anything. But we've already seen one deer on our way to the blind. It was coming off the hill to come to the field, of course. We got in here a little late, but yeah, we're gonna sit here until dark and see if something comes out. Tonight we're hoping to see a doe, or I have a nice buck coming in here, but he's coming in here later in the night. But I did have a couple smaller bucks come in right at the end of shooting light yesterday.
It's almost night time. It's almost night.
Yeah. You gotta be quiet, Bubby. You gotta whisper. But we got Ryder out here. If he wants me to shoot it, we'll probably shoot it. You got a big old blackberry, don't you? shot a buck. Didn't we, buddy?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, give me knuckles. Nice. See you right here.
Oh my god, that must come from the DJI.
Your first deer with Daddy, isn't it? My first deer hunting with my son. He's 4, and I think he's more pumped up about it than I am. We got some meat in the freezer though. There's a big old deer, isn't it?
Yes, we got a deer.
Yes, we did.
That was a leaf on us.
We'll have to drag it out of this road, ain't we?
Yeah. We will have to drag it with the foot way.
Yeah.
And don't think we'll have to walk there.
Yeah. Alright, let's go drag it down to the field.
Okay.